Your Power BI team is at capacity. Your backlog isn't shrinking. Every week, delayed reports, bad decisions, and executives flying blind. That's not a data problem, that's a revenue problem. EPC Group has a team of senior Power Platform architects available right now. Power BI, Fabric, Power Apps, Power Automate.
Ready to deploy on your environment this week. Not junior developers, not a 6-week onboarding process. Senior architects who fix the system, not just the dashboard.
28 years, over 5,000 Microsoft implementations. G2 leader in business intelligence for 4 consecutive quarters. Net Promoter Score, 100. From Fortune 500 to federal agencies, we've done this at scale. We turn Power BI into something that actually works. Clean data, fast insights, and decisions you can trust. Book your 30-minute session at EPC Group.net. A team of senior architects, available now. Contact EPC Group today by emailing us at contact@epcgroup.net or visiting epcgroup.net/contact, or give us a call at 888-381-9725.